Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. Today in this video, we are going to learn the bank reconciliation statement of case 4. In previous video, we have already finished 3 cases. Now in this video, we will understand the case 4. This is the last case of this chapter. And after doing this one, your chapter will be finished. Okay, see here. Here, unfavorable balance of passbook will be given. Last time we had learned when the unfavorable balance of cash book was given. Now we will learn when the unfavorable balance of passbook will be given, then what we have to do. Let us see here. Here is a problem. With the help of this problem, we will understand this case. Unfavorable balance of passbook. As we know that unfavorable balance of passbook means debit balance of passbook, and the debit balance of passbook will be here minus. It means whatever the balance of passbook will be given, you have to mention this into the minus column, not the plus column. And if the passbook balance will be given, whether it is favorable or unfavorable doesn't matter, if the passbook balance is given, then what we have to do, we have to equal the passbook balance with the balance of cash book. If it is favorable, no issue. If it is unfavorable, no issue. All the situations, the rules will be applicable as it is. Okay, see here. On 31st March 2018, passbook of Shri Bhana Shah showed a debit balance of rupees 10,000. Debit balance of passbook means minus balance. First of all, we will write here unfavorable balance or debit balance as per passbook. We will write here debit balance as per passbook. How much the debit balance as per passbook? It is 10,000. We will write in the minus column because this balance is unfavorable balance. Now following particulars prepare bank reconciliation statement. First one is checks amounting to 8,000 drawn on 25th March, of which checks of 5,000 cashed in April 2018. On 25th March, you had drawn a check of how much amount? 8,000. Drawn in the sense you have issued this check of rupees 8,000 to any of your customer or any of your creditor. But 5,000 cashed in the month of April, not in the month of March. You have to reconcile the balance of passbook with the balance of cash book of March month, not the April month. So what would be happen here? Whenever you had issued the check, at that time you had minus this amount of 8,000 from your cash book. But 3,000, only 3,000, 5,000 cashed in April 2018. It means only 3,000 has been encashed from your passbook in the month of March. And 5,000, your passbook balance is showing more than your cash book balance. In this situation, what we will do? We have to minus this 5,000 from passbook also, because in cash book we cannot change anything. We have to reconcile the balance of passbook with the balance of cash book. So anything change will required, it will be happened in the passbook, not in the cash book. Remember the point here. So here we will write first check issued but not presented for payment. How much the amount was? 5,000. We will write here minus column 5,000. Come to the next transaction, which is checks paid into bank for collection 5,000, but checks of 2,200 could only be collected in March 2018. 5,000 you had deposit check into your bank account. It means whenever you had deposited check into your bank, what was happening there? You had already added 5,000 in your cash book. But in the month of March, checks of rupees 2,200 could only be collected in March. It means here your deposit value is only 2,200. You had added how much in your cash book? 5,000. But here in your passbook, how much amount was credited? Only 2,200. Then the remaining balance, where is the remaining balance? How much the remaining balance? The remaining balance will be here. Here the remaining balance of 2,800 is only added in cash book, not in the passbook. Then what you have to do? We have to equal the balance of passbook with the balance of cash book. Then this 28,000 we have to add in this passbook. Then only our balance will be equal. So we will write here second case. Checks deposited but not credited. How much the amount was? 2,800 has not been credited. Come to the next transaction. Bank charges of 25 and dividend of rupees 350 on investment collected by bank could not be shown in the cash book. Bank charges, it means bank has deducted 25 rupees, and dividend of investment, how much? 350. This balance has been added in your passbook, but it has not been shown in the cash book. Here what we have to do? We cannot change in cash book. We have to change only in passbook. So here this balance we have to add on passbook, and this balance we have to minus from the passbook. We will write here bank charges. How much amount was bank charges? 25 rupees we have to add here, and dividend on investment, how much amount? 350. We have to minus this one, because in passbook we can only change. Next, a check of rupees 600 debited in cash book omitted to be banked. It means you had debited in your cash book, means you had added in your cash book, but omitted to be recorded in passbook. What you will do here? You have to add this one also in your passbook. So we will write here in fourth case, check debited in the cash book but not in passbook. How much the amount was here? 600. We will write here. Now come to the next transaction, which is bill of rupees 5,000 was discounted with bank but not recorded in cash book. You had discounted a bill of 5,000. It means in passbook you had already recorded how much amount? 5,000 amount, but it was not recorded in cash book. Then what we have to do? We cannot record in cash book now. We have to minus this amount from our passbook. So we will write here fifth transaction, bill discounted but not recorded in cash book. How much amount it was? 5,000. Now what we have to do? We have to balance, and after balancing, what we shall get here? Overdraft balance as per cash book. 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 5,000, 20,000, 20,350, 20,350. This is the total balance. Now 20,350 minus 34, 20,350 minus 28 plus 6, 34, 3,400 plus 3,000, 3,425, 5, 2, 9, 16, 16,925 would be the balance as per cash book.